Good afternoon, people. Hope your weather's nice. Maybe it's a little breezy today. We got just the thing for that. This is our group project. It's a small desktop windmill. It's plastic, 12.9 inches high, with a 4-inch base. We have a nacelle, we have a nose, airfoils, tower, and base. And there's also a nice little bearing stack here, so we can just twist in the wind. This miniature turbine is cute and functional. It was inspired by the Netherland dwarf rabbit, which, as you know, is the cutest of all possible bunnies on this planet. We can see an abstract shape of a bunny here. Little bunny tail, and the airfoils look just like little bunny ears. And just like a real bunny, its head spins round and around and around. Look at that. Let's make it explode. First we take out the screws. I like to use socket head cap screws. Socket head cap screws are rugged and you can torque them gently. But you can use any kind of screw you like. Countersunk, wafer, shoulder, but not button head. Let's take off the sides. And the other sides. You can see there aren't too many harsh angles. They can be molded or 3D printed easily. They're concurrently titanium white, but a nice brushed aluminum will give them a space age vibe. Let's section it. Here you can see a big shaft, just a simple threaded rod. We hold the part steady by doubling over the nuts, but a nice purple Loctite 22-2 will hold it for as long as you please. Some tiny flange bearings here. They're easy to install. Just pop them into the grooves and they know how to handle the rest. You don't need any glue for this. You have a tiny little pair of nuts here holding the nose to the shaft. And if we wanted, we could embed them in place with SLA printing. Little time, little patience, comes out nice. We have some horizontal bearings. You know, my grandma always said, kids, bearings need to run in pairs or momentary loading will leave you in a pickle. So that's why there's two of them. That's why they're big. This airfoil is acrylic resin molded. The shape is made by taking a knock airfoil and then lofting it along. We spiral it out along a tangent from the tip. Then we extrude a nice little plug to the hole. We have a little plastic gyroscope. We're using set screws for mass. But you know what? With a little magnetic or optical pickup in the right place, you could measure RPM. You could even replace this with a stepper motor and use it to generate 12 volts of electric love. That's all we have for you today. Remember, there are no mistakes. There's only Control Z. Toodaloo.